Long time no see. Well, it's been like a week, but actual videos made here. Home for the summer and bored out of my mind already. So I thought, let's make vegan mac and cheese. I'm lactose intolerant and it's just, I love cheese, but it's not good for my stomach. It's definitely not good for my skin. Dodie Clark, she's a singer and a YouTuber. She made the, what was it, like the BuzzFeed come and get it vegan mac and cheese recipe. So I thought I'd try it. I'm not vegan. I'm just lactose intolerant and I want cheese. I know it's not going to taste like cheese because there's no cheese in it and it's all vegetables, but why the hell not, right? I've got all my ingredients. I have the wrong kind of potatoes. I suspect way too much onion, and this measurement of baby carrots in place of an actual carrot are totally estimated also. These cashews are salted because they're from Costco. And yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Spent $8 on nutritional yeast, so we shall see. What are you making? Didn't you eat lunch?
No, I didn't.
It's 1:20.
It's still lunchtime.
I started cooking and I didn't even put on
The Boston Market.
my super official Boston Market apron.
Where'd you get it?
It was from my roommate who worked there for 3 days, then called out sick and never went back.
Nice.
So far it smells like onions. I think I used way too much onion. On that note, I'm gonna make the rest of my mac and cheese. Put the cashews in. I'm gonna add a little extra, because I don't know, I like cashews. This is like healthy because it doesn't have dairy, but like, honestly, this is definitely like super high calories still. Has vegetables in it, but like starchy. And these measurements, I don't know how this is gonna go. I really guessed with the carrots. It calls for, I've got it taped here, you can probably see it. It calls for 1 medium carrot peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, but I just have baby carrots. So I took a bunch of carrots, put them on the cutting board, grouped them together and was like, yeah, that looks like a medium carrot, and they're already like 1 inch long because they're baby carrots, so I just put them in a bowl and said, yep, that's enough. It's all in the name of relative health. Relative health. Got all my veggies in there. Supposed to save 1.5 to 2 cups of the water for the blender. This whole thing is eyeballed. I read the recipe and the rest is improvised. That's how I cook and that's how I live my life, you know? Oh, it's getting hot, finally. It's been like winter for 10 months, I think, but it's warm today. And you know, you could drink water, but I have started drinking aloe vera juice, water, aloe vera drink. It's got chunks of aloe vera in it, which might not be your thing. Let's all take a sip of something because you guys dehydrated. Okay, so back to mac and cheese. So I've got the cashews in the bottom. Oh, that's hot. I don't know what I thought was gonna happen. Cashews in the bottom, potatoes, onions, carrots, and the water from cooking it. So pop it in the Ninja blender, not sponsored, wish I was, and we're gonna, why isn't it, it's not registering that the thing is in. I love suffering. It would appear blender's not working. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll blend it by hand. That's a thing, right? Is this leaking? I'm struggling. Well, we're gonna see if I can put it in the food processor. All of this stuff is broken. This is... Dear Ninja, fix my blender, sponsor me. Can I do this by hand? Will this work? Oh my god. I'm gonna put as much of the stuff as I can into one of these. And we're gonna go from there. Oh, this is just not gonna end well, and I can tell you that right now. Okay, yep, we're doing this. This is what we're doing. We'll do it in batches. That's what we'll do. Okay. Big old mason jar. That looks not appetizing at all. Oh god, that looks so gross. This has gone downhill really fast. Okay. So that looks significantly cheesier because it got the ingredients. I speak English. Carrots. I couldn't remember the word for carrots. Oh, that smells different because it's got more ingredients in it. Okay. So like, this is a version of hell right now. I love suffering. It smells strangely like what the public school cafeteria used to smell like whenever it was chicken patty day. There's no meat in this. So that is wildly concerning. I spilled it everywhere. I'm stressed. Can you tell? It smells like food service chicken patties. And I don't know why that is. Oh god, I didn't even start boiling the pasta. Oof. The bottom of this pot has a heart burned onto it. Berea, however it's pronounced. Sponsor me, I'll be the next Hannah Hart. May not be old enough to drink, but I'm a lesbian who tries to cook, so sponsor me, please. I'll be your next pasta girl. Sometimes, when you guess and estimate things that you should probably actually do by the rules, you end up with pasta all over the floor. And honestly, that's a reflection of life too. It's fine. I'll eat floor pasta. I wouldn't serve floor pasta to someone else, but I'll eat my own floor pasta. I'm gonna try and pour all the layers of my poorly blended sauce mixture back into this pot while the pasta water cooks. Oh, that is not appetizing. No, not a single aspect of that looks good. It's too thick and it won't come out. We have so many little silicone spatulas, and yet when I need one, none. The right color, but the consistency leaves something to be desired, and I'm gonna chalk that up to the blender not working. So this is what it currently looks like. I'm still trying to mix it because, like, you can probably see that some parts of it are watery and slightly lighter color because the little batches of it that I had to blend in the single serve cup was like all onions in one, and then like potatoes and some of the carrots, and then the last one was like all of the carrots and cashews because they were small and fell to the bottom. So it's definitely the right color. And I just have to add the seasonings now. And I want it to be known that I started making this at 1 o'clock. Normally cooking is therapeutic for me, but not today. A whole bunch of garlic. Keep the vampires away. Alright, now let's try nutritional yeast. This is in a lot of vegan cheese recipes because apparently it's like savory, salty, cheesy flavor, which is concerning if it's not dairy and it tastes like dairy. So that smells I don't know. It looks like sawdust. I'm just gonna let all the flakes fall in. I don't fully understand that with which I am meddling, aka vegan cooking. I haven't stirred my pasta at all. Oh god. I feel like it's missing. I don't know. It's like missing a certain, I want to say brightness? I don't know culinary terms. Dodie added lemon juice. Maybe I have a lemon. No one wants seeds in their mac and cheese. That is the grossest thing I've ever thought of, and I apologize for that image. I think that's how it's gonna taste. Some more salt. There was obviously a lot of variables contributing to this, considering that all of both my ingredients and measurements were rough estimates. I just added so much pepper because I was talking at the same time and didn't realize I was still doing it, so good thing I like pepper. Okay, yeah. That's like pretty good. Okay. Let's plate it. Alright, so got it all made. And it kind of looks correct. I don't know if you can see in that shot just then, but there's like very noticeable chunks, probably of cashew, because y'all know why at this point, and I don't gotta say it again. But I mean, that's what good mac and cheese sounds like. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, it doesn't taste like mac and cheese, but it tastes close enough that if I've got all this stuff laying around in a working blender and I'm craving mac and cheese, that's definitely going to satisfy the craving. It's creamy and salty, and there's noodles, and it's orange, so yeah. I feel like if I make it next time with all the actual right ingredients and actually measure them and use a blender that can actually blend them all together, then it'll probably be even better. That was good. And now, an hour and a half after I've started cooking, I have food. Now that it's summer and I moved back in and I have my room set up nicely, I'm hoping to get videos out slightly regularly. Don't hold me to that because, well, if you look at the upload dates, they're sometimes a week apart and sometimes they're a year apart. I've got like a whole setup in my room with like my desk and lighting, and I've got like art on the wall. It'll be good. It'll be good. Hopefully this week or next week I'll be able to film something there. It's just about having time and relative silence in the house and no one to come barge in. At some point in the relatively near future, I might change my channel name. Not sure about that quite yet. Yeah, I don't know. Changes are coming. That's what happens in the summer. My impulse was to say stay spooky, but I'm trying to stop that because it's not gonna make sense once I change. Well, I don't know. I'll have to come up with some new. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. You can make suggestions or requests in the comments. Enjoy your mac and cheese, if you made it, and I'll see you sometime. And now I have all of this to clean up. But it was worth it for one bowl of chunky noodles. Oh yeah!